Let's see how to enable and disable branded content on Instagram. Go to your Instagram and make sure you have converted your Instagram account to a professional or business account. Once you converted your account, from your profile page, tap on this menu. In here, you have to scroll down and tap on business tools and controls. In here, tap on branded content. And now just tap on setup branded content tools, and we can see eligible for the paid partnership level. So I'm just tapping on enable, and we can see I've successfully turned on branded content for my Instagram. And to disable the branded content, again just come to the settings, and here if you tap on eligible, and we can see here is no option to turn off the branded content. So all you have to need to turn it off, you have to switch your Instagram personal account to a professional account to a personal account. So after converting your professional account to a personal account, your branded content feature will be disabled. Thanks for watching.